What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I am at 250 subscribers, so it's pretty nice to say that I'm a quarter away to 1,000. Anyways, make sure to subscribe down below if you like today's video. Make sure to like and also comment. But let's not waste any time and get into today's topic. So today's topic is actually General Motors. They control a lot of cars, and they're actually recalling about 15,000 full-size SUVs. And it's a little problem, but it could end up, stalling your vehicle. Anyways, it's a defective fuel pump that is recalled on 14,901 vehicles as of now. And obviously the full SUVs include the Escalade, the Chevy Suburban, Tahoe, and the GMC Yukon, which are pretty much exact replicas of each other. So the vehicles affected that are actually have this issue are from April 15th, 2020 to August 24th, 2021. That's when they found that these issues occur in these vehicles, and they may be affected. It's not that it's, already affected, but there is a chance that it will be affected. And obviously GM will replace this for free of charge. So just pop in there, make sure your vehicle isn't affected at all, and then they will replace it for free. This part, if you did want to change it yourself, is about 100 to 200 bucks on these types of vehicles. So vehicles with this problem, with this fuel pump problem, will experience stalling in the vehicle. So that is, something to look out for. But again, if you don't really want stalling in your vehicle, which nobody really does, I would take it to a dealership right now just to, have them inspect the vehicle and see if, it needs to be changed. Because this is a pretty serious recall affecting about 15,000 vehicles. So with this being said, they actually started investigating the issue back in July, and they got a lot of complaints from people, specifically 617 related complaints from these SUV owners, so they know how to target these SUVs and check each one. And 229 of those 617 said that they experienced stalling or some stalling related issue. So it's, I guess, 1/3 said that they experienced stalling, but that's just a sign of the fuel pump. Obviously I would just get it checked out regardless, because not all of them had the stalling issue. Anyways, there were no reports of accidents or injuries with this stalling issue, which I'm surprised because, you could probably be going down the freeway and it just lets out. But, there could be accidents or injuries if you keep this up and you don't go in to actually inspect it. But just if you have the 2020 or 2021 models of these vehicles, so the Yukon XL, the Suburban, Tahoe, and the Escalade and Escalade ESV, make sure to just check it out, and it doesn't really hurt to check it out at all. So with this being said, an easy way to check is go to the NHTSA websites, and you go to their recall website for more details, and you can actually type and you can actually determine whether your vehicle is affected or not. So this will save you a trip to the dealership. And if your vehicle is actually affected, you just call up your dealership, and they will change it free of charge, or that's at least what they should do. And so from my understanding, they won't actually replace the whole fuel pump, but they will just replace the power control module in the fuel pump. So it's a bit cheaper to do. So I guess they're doing the cheap way around that because the whole fuel pump isn't broken. Anyways, that is the end of today's video. I just want to, bring attention to this because it's 15,000 vehicles affected. I just wanted to let you guys know that, if you have one of these big SUVs, to check it out and see if your vehicle is affected. Anyways, make sure to subscribe down below. I give out car news daily. I post car shorts and stuff like that. So I have a lot of car content up there. So make sure to subscribe and check it out. Also, make sure to like down below. It helps me push my content out to new viewers. And comment down below comment down below which of these SUVs is your favorite, because I really like the Tahoe. I've always liked the Tahoe. I don't know why, but it's just a really nice car. So let me know down below which car you like.